Module 9 Human Factor. Information on drugs and alcohol can be found in Murphy law is perpetuated mainly by which type of error occurs when an action is carried out incorrectly. Which of the following is a lapse? Which is not a typical factor of the shell model? Stress in aviation maintenance is mainly dangerous because it Which of the following is a factor in the dirty dozen? The symptoms of demotivation are very similar to the symptoms of a checklist is designed to What is the most common maintenance human error?